Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how I make one of my favorite oil. It's my favorite oil because it's a two-in-one oil. I use it for my hair and I use it for my skin. But before then, I want to appreciate you guys. For those of you that watched my last video, I want to say thank you for watching, thank you for liking, and for our new subscribers, guys, I loved you and you are welcome to the family. Continue to watch my videos, continue to like and then comment anything you feel I should know or I should do better on. Please do not hesitate to drop it in the comment section. So with me here, I have my papaya or pawpaw as we normally call it, and then I have my carrots here. So I'll be cutting the both of them into tiny pieces to enable me blend. So I'll first cut my pawpaw. I will not be using all of this, so I'll just cut it into two. I'll be using just one part of it. Okay, so for those of you who want to lighten up your skin, guys, these two fruits are just the best. You don't need to go to the market to buy bleaching creams that you're not sure of. This actually does not bleach, but it just gives you it enhances your skin tone. And then if you are suffering from maybe bad organic cream or any cream you are reacting to, it helps you even out your skin tone. So you don't need to start going to look for a bleaching cream or anything. You are using everything natural, and you know what our channel is about: nature, everything natural for both our skin and our hair. So I'm done cutting my pawpaw now. I will now be cutting my carrot. Okay, so I'll be cutting my carrot now into tiny little pieces. If you have watched one of my videos, I used carrots and rice. You will know that carrot is good for so many things: your hair, your skin. Carrot oil is very good for your skin. For those of you who suffer dry skin, try to use this oil. Like, make it yourself and then come back and give me testimony, because you will love it. So guys, we are done cutting the carrot now. So I'm going to be turning it into my blender with the pawpaw so that I can blend. So guys, it's time to blend. So guys, we are done blending my carrot and my papaya, and this is how it looks like. So I'm going to be adding a carrier oil. You know, we have different kinds of carrier oils. Like, there's olive oil, there's coconut oil, there's avocado oil, there's black seed oil. There are over 20 carrier oils, and carrier oils are based oils. They are vegetable oil. They are thicker than essential oils, and they're the ones that are used to carry essential oils to the skin or hair or anything. So I'll be using my carrier oil, which is my extra virgin olive oil. So this is a brand I use because I trust them. This is a brand I use. So I'll be adding my olive oil into my blended carrots and papaya. You can use coconut oil, but I'm using olive oil. So I'll mix it together, and then I'll place this on low heat for 30 minutes. So it's been 30 minutes. I'm going to take this off the gas and allow it to cool before I will be straining out the oil. So guys, it's time for me to squeeze out my oil. So I have my packaging container here, and then I have my sieve cloth. So guys, this is our carrot and papaya oil. So guys, let me know if you'll be trying this oil in the comment section, and once you try it, you can also come back to this video to comment and tell us your results. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.